Excuse me, is there a cash machine near here? I need to get some cash. Hello everyone, Anna here, and today we are learning the cash machine vocabulary that you really need to know, especially if you're visiting the UK. So get your notebooks at the ready, or if you'd prefer to simply download my pre-prepared notes for free, then click on the link in the description. There's a cash point. Let's do this. So the cash machine goes by a few different names. It could be a cash machine or a cash point, a point where you get cash. Or you might hear it referred to as an ATM, or sometimes it's referred to as a hole in the wall. Does your bank have a hole in the wall? Yeah, it does. Now in the UK, you will find cash machines in many places, always on the high street and always outside a local bank branch. So you'll have a hole in the wall outside the bank. If you go inside the branch, they'll have cash machines inside as well. You'll find cash points at most supermarkets, especially the big ones, and in the smaller ones, there'll be a small or a single ATM that you can use. Word of warning, if you are going to a local newsagents or a shop that has a little cash point inside, then you might be charged for taking your money from that machine. Usually it's a couple of pounds, but just be sure to check. Most of them are free, but in the small newsagents, generally not. Now, what do we do when we get to a cash point? Well, you put your debit card into the ATM. You put it in to put in your card, or you insert your card, which is what you'll be instructed to do. Please insert your card. And then you enter your PIN. Beep, 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 beep. Your PIN is your secret number that is unique to you. Only you know it, hopefully. Now, once you enter your PIN number, you will have access to your account. Now, you can simply check your balance if you just want to know how much money is in your account. I need to check my balance. There's a cash point. Let me just put my card in. Beep, 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 beep. Enter my PIN. There we go. I've checked my balance. I'm done. Or most likely you'll want to withdraw some money. To withdraw. We can also say take out. To take out some cash or withdraw some money. So on the screen of the cash machine, you'll need to select the option that you want. When you are taking out money, the machine often double checks with you. Do you want to proceed? You're trying to take out £100. Do you want to proceed? Or it might say, do you want to continue? And you will select yes or no. Now, the other things that people sometimes do at a cash point is to deposit cash. So you give money to the cash machine to put in your account. So you deposit cash, but we simply say put money in. I need to put some money into my account. So you could use the verb deposit or the phrasal verb to pay in or put in. I need to pay my birthday money in to my account later. Now, when you've finished doing whatever it is you're doing, withdrawing money or depositing money or checking your balance, then you must remember to remove your card and money from the machine. In other countries that I've visited, the cash machines will put out the money and the card in a different order to what we do here in the UK. So here, the machine will push out your card first and then give you your money. But I think in some other countries I've been to, it gives you your money. And so it's easy to take your money and go, forgetting your card, which is a disaster. So make sure you remove your card and your money. And if you've happened to withdraw a huge wad of cash, a wad of cash is a big pile, a wad of cash, then some people might think that you are rolling in it. To be rolling in it means rich. Wow, he's rolling in it. Guys, if you found this lesson helpful, please be sure to subscribe and click the like button to help others to find my videos too. Until next time, take care and goodbye.